Did you already break your glass from the base?
Yes, that one. I already broke it.
Yes. Okay.
I can take it out, but it's just for this show.
Tink tink. And it's still pretty musical too.
Yeah, it's pretty musical. I mean, Derrick Ford, man. I'm the owner of Serious Sounds. What you see, I got 12 Serious Sound SSG12.
Okay.
I got 16s, 2 8s in the doors. I got my 1212s on 2 FRD 8Ks.
Okay.
Serious Sound 8Ks, and I got a 3K on the 10s, and I got a
nice
600.4 on the highs.
Okay. So is this I've never seen this subwoofer brand before. What is?
This is my brand.
Okay.
Yeah, Serious Sounds, and I want to try to push it.
All right. What is the RMS on these subs?
The RMS on these subs is 1500.
Okay.
And this is my mid-grade sub. My higher sub is like 35, but they're not here yet. They're on their way.
All right.
On that.
Nice. And what's your electrical like, alternator battery?
I got a 300 amp power bachelor alternator.
Okay.
And right now I only have 2 because I just got the vehicle together. So I only got 2 14 volt golf cart battery banks in here right now. It's not even lifting yet. So.
Yes, sir.
So,
all right.
You know, it's coming, man.
You make it work. Yes, sir. Work in progress.
Gotta make it work.
Yes, sir.
So
it's better than nothing. Playing.
Yep.
All right.
I'll let you hear.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. How you doing? Can I come in?
Yes, of course you come in.
I've
been waiting on you to come in.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. It's pretty musical. I mean, my crossover, I got to tune it to play more music, but I just got it playing right now. Just
Yes, sir. I got it.
Hey, check out the back. Check out the amps and everything.
Yes, sir. Nice logo, SS.
Yes, trying to be there, man. Trying to get that.
All right. So you have like a stunt wall stage in front of your amplifiers.
Yeah,
okay.
I can take it out, but it's just for this show.
Yeah, man.
It's not in there. I just did it for this show, so they can.
That's a good idea, kind of, because you can still have.
Yeah.
Do you have any kind of fan system behind it, or
No,
is it?
they all built their fans and all the amplifiers.
Okay,
Yep,
got it.
everyone.
Are these Brazilian, Korean, Chinese, or what?
Chinese, Korean.
Okay. A mix of both. All right.
Yep.
Can I see the alternator?
It hurts.
Yeah, it does. It's pretty painful. I would say, what are you doing? A 56, 57 dB when you
I
burst
haven't
it?
even metered it.
You haven't? Okay.
So that's why I said I haven't even metered it, because I got 10, 20, I got 10Ks coming. I got 10Ks coming, 14Ks, and 20Ks.
Okay.
So
Oh, wow.
once they get, I want to put 2 20Ks in.
Yes, sir. Wow, you're gonna break the window.
That's the goal.
The goal, break the window. All right, can I see the alternator real quick? If that's okay.
Well,
that's
right.
I know it's hard to. I just like to see everything.
No, come on.
I get one chance. I like to see everything. So,
Man,
did you already break your glass from the base?
Yes, that one. I already broke it.
Yeah.
It's back there though. It's
all good.
It's hard to see.
So this is a 350, I think you said?
Yeah, 300.
300, yeah.
Yes, 300. Yep.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Tink, tink, tink.
Tink, tink. That's a little name right there. Tink, tink.
Tink, tink. All right.
Hey, Jacob, too. I see you build, man. I see you build.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Derrick's sound system. Pretty crazy to see him fit 12 12-inch subwoofers inside of this vehicle. And it's not even a long, big SUV system. So really a lot of fab work to get that to fit all inside of this hatchback system. And I really like the whole layout of the box. And he has a stunt wall in the back he can remove if he needs to go in and fine-tune his system. And, of course, he said he's still planning on doing upgrades. This was at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area region. Go ahead and comment what you like about his system and give him a like. He did a really good job with a great demo, and he's actually cracking his glass from so much flex, so you got to stay tuned. So if you notice the way the actual subwoofers are mounted, looks like he reinforced them with the middle pit chamber there, but this is a 4th order enclosure, so there is a sealed section underneath of these subs where the motors are set. I don't know the cubic space or the tuning on it, but it sounded like it played really well in the mid 40 hertz range. That's a motor shot of what these subs look like. Look like they're rated at 1,250 watt RMS to 1,500 watt RMS. Never really seen this brand before, but glad to share it. And if you want to see out more about details of this system, check out all links in the description. And 12 12-inch subs inside of this hatchback. We got a really crazy bass demo we're getting to. The lyrics sounded really good. You can hear the lyrics. He had a lot of power on these speakers as well during the demo. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day on my channel, and enjoy the demo.
All right.
know.
That's like mid 40 hertz range.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Matter of fact, 42.
42,
exactly.
yes sir. Very nice. I like it,
Exactly.
and it's still pretty musical too.
Yeah, it's pretty musical. I mean, my crossover, I got to tune it to play more music, but I just got it playing right now. Just
Yes, sir. I got it. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo.
Thank you.
This is Serious Sounds.
Yeah,
and I'm
check
gonna
out the
look at
back, check out the apps and everything.
Yes, sir. Nice.